stock nitrate test is a test that allows us to understand how we did during the growing season. It's a diagnostic test more than a predictive test. The reason for that is because we take the samples at this time during the growing season, at the end of the growing season, so it doesn't really help us fine-tune nitrogen management during the growing season, but it allows us to look at what we did in the growing season, how the growing season progressed, and determine how well we did with nitrogen in that particular field. So we need to look at the field and determine what parts of the field we want to sample, and that will be determined really by past management or different types of soils that we have in that field. And so once we determine that, that's where we take the samples. To take a sample, you would collect at least 15 stalks out of the field and composite into one sample to represent that part of the field. The sample that we want to collect is 6 inches above the ground, and then the actual sample is 8 inches of the length of that stalk. So one way to do it is have a PVC pipe prepared with a tape that marks the 6-inch and then the 8-inch length of the sample. So the way you would collect the sample, you would set the PVC pipe and then collect the sample right at the 6 inches. And then again at the 8-inch mark. The important thing to keep in mind as we take these samples is to keep them as clean as possible. So putting them in a paper bag rather than leaving them on the soil. It's important as you collect the 15 samples that you need for a composite. And we are interested in the stalk, so the sheath will be removed, will need to be removed for these samples. You want to remove that part, and then leaves as well. So leaves and sheath need to be removed out of the sample, and we only keep the stalks. And again, we would want to do this for 15 in a composite sample and put in a paper bag again so that we don't have soil or any contamination.